Hello, I'm Simon. Welcome to my workshop. In this video I'm going to be taking a second look at silencing my pillar drill by aligning the pulleys. Let's get tinkering. Some of my viewers have suggested that rather than deadening the sound with the sound deadening stuff to make the drill quieter, I really need to get to the root cause of the problem, which they've suggested is that the pulleys and things aren't actually all aligned. And they're correct. The pulleys aren't aligned. There's a gap here, quite a big one. It's almost 1/4 of an inch. So the pulleys are out. This needs to come this way a little bit, or the top needs to go that way a little bit. Now, there isn't really any adjustment at all on this motor. There's a little bit, but there's nothing to adjust it that way. So I'm going to have to work out my own solution so that I can try and get these pulleys closer to square. So this motor has no adjustment on it at all, so the only way that I can adjust this will be to shim it, and I think really the only practical options are the angle in this direction. Because I can shim these bolts to give me different angles, but that's about all I can do. If I look at this, I can see that it's not angled correctly, because here it's a good 1/4 of an inch, about 5mm down from where it should be. So I need to angle this up slightly to get it in line with the pulleys over here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put some shims in here and see if I can alter that angle a little bit. So I find a 3mm thick aluminium washer, which is actually the centre waste from a hole saw, which I thought might be useful one day, and use this to shim the motor, aligning the drive pulley to the front pulley. Then I use my inclinometer to test the angle on the other axis of the pulley. It's about 1 degree out, which isn't bad, but there isn't any actual adjustment or any obvious way to shim the motor in this direction. So I use a little brute force until I have it within a fraction of a degree. Well, I've aligned the pulleys as best I can, given the lack of adjustment available on this machine. I'm not sure it's actually made any difference to the noise levels, but it was the right thing to do. If you've enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, why not subscribe by clicking my logo? It's free, and YouTube will add some of my videos to your feed. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you soon.